Today, we're diving into relationships, the kind that leave you dizzy, confused, or just plain disappointed. That's right, we're ranking Disney's rides as if they were your exes. Hello, Disney enthusiasts. It's Michelle with Disney Uncorked. Some were thrilling, some were exhausting, and some just wasted your time. Let's break down the top 10 Disney World rides that remind us all a little too much of past relationships. Number 10, Space Mountain. Fun but unpredictable, constantly leaving you in the dark. You get in thinking it'll be an exciting ride, but by the end, you're sore, disappointed, and questioning all your life choices. Sure, it had some good moments, but let's be real. This relationship was held together by nostalgia and pure adrenaline. Number 9, Jungle Cruise. At first, it seemed like a grand adventure. You thought you'd be sailing into romance, exploring the unknown. Turns out, it's just bad jokes, disappointment, and someone forcing you to laugh through the awkward silences. By the end, you're praying to jump ship, but nope, you're stuck in the slow-moving, dad joke-ridden nightmare. At number 8 is Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, the one that never fully committed. Super hyped, always promising something amazing, but in reality, too short, too slow, and barely worth the wait. Sure, there's a little fun in the middle, but just when you're getting into it, boom, it's over. Coming in hot at number 7 is Mission Space. Took you to the edge of your limits and left you feeling like you might throw up. You knew going into this was going to be intense, but you thought, hey, I can handle this. Wrong. This relationship had one setting, maximum stress. And when it was all over, you weren't sure if you'd ever recover. Number 6, It's a Small World. Seemed cute and wholesome at first, until you realized it was never ending and absolutely maddening. The same problems repeated over and over, and no matter how hard you tried, you just couldn't escape. That cheery exterior? A trap. By the time it's over, you're questioning your sanity and swearing to never go back. Number 5 is Rockin' Roller Coaster. Started way too fast, was way too intense, and left you with a headache. There were some thrilling moments, but the whiplash was not worth it. You look back and think, wow, I ignored so many red flags. But at the time, it felt like a rush. Landing at number 4 is Tesk Track. This one was all about appearances. Looks flashy, seems exciting, but half the time it wasn't even working. The whole relationship felt like one big design challenge. You'd build something together, but in the end, it never quite performed the way you hoped. Oh, number 3, The Haunted Mansion. Dark, dramatic, and full of emotional baggage. It tried to be charming, but the constant ghost of relationships past made it clear this one was never really going to let go of its exes. No matter how fun the doom buggy was, the ride always ended in a weird, unsettling way. Taking the number 2 spot is Flight of Passage. At first, it was everything you ever dreamed of. Breathtaking, emotional, a total once-in-a-lifetime experience. But the wait was unbearable. You spent so much time just waiting for something amazing to happen, and by the time it did, you weren't sure if it was worth all the buildup. And at number 1, the most chaotic relationship of all. 1 minute you're up, the next you're plummeting straight down. Unpredictable, terrifying, and full of unresolved trauma, this ride kept you on edge the whole time. You knew it wasn't good for you, but somehow you kept going back for more. And that's a wrap of our countdown of if Disney rides were your exes. Which ride reminds you of your ex the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Disney fun with Disney Uncorked.